morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, April 11th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today's lunch options are chicken nuggets or egg salad.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be sunny and windy with a high of 88 degrees and a low of 70 degrees.
Getting warmer. Today in history, in 1912, the Titanic left Queenstown, Ireland, bound for New York City. This was its last step before it sank.
Today's fun fact is the voices of Mickey and Minnie Mouse got married in real life.
Wow. Interesting. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Kessler, what did a mama rabbit say to the baby rabbit when she snuck a look at her Easter basket?
I don't know, what?
No peeping.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Kessler.
And I'm Kayla. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time. Fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, dum, bum, bum, bum.